In this video tutorial you will see how I solved the problem on a Volkswagen Touran 2.0 TDI from 2014 when the following warning lights appeared on dashboard: glow plug warning light, DPF or diesel particle filter light, and check engine light. The car, which is a Volkswagen Touran 2.0 diesel from 2014, had the following problems: loss of power, or it was not revving more than 2,500 RPM. You can see in the following video. So, here's how I solved this problem. First, we've hooked a diagnostic tool and a laptop running the correct software to see all the things the car thinks are wrong. This way we find out that it was a problem with glow plugs. So, we started with removing the engine cover, and then we checked the glow plugs. And notice that one of them, the first one, has a problem. Has been melted. You can see from this picture the old glow plugs and the melted wires. You can find VCDS diagnostic tool below in the video description. So, we removed the entire glow plug's wires from the engine, remove the isolation, and cut the cables where you see the white duct tape, and connect new glow plug's wires using wire connectors, solder, and soldering gun. We also replaced the glow plugs. This video is also valid for other VAG models like VW Passat B6, B7, Golf MK5, MK6, MK7, Scirocco, EOS, Beetle, Tiguan, Skoda Octavia 2, Octavia 3, Fabia, Superb, Seat Leon, Altia, Audi A3, A4, A5, A6. If you have any other suggestions for new Volkswagen tutorials, write to us in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto.